We see a lot of opportunity in China.
We continue to be very, very optimistic about China.
German companies are very much eager to see and participate in the development of China.
Over the past decade, China's steady development and huge market have kept expanding its charm to global companies. The country is now the world's second largest consumer market, boasting a middle-income group of over 400 million people. The just concluded Second China International Consumer Products Expo, or CICPE, offered a glimpse of China's market potential. Exhibitors from 61 countries and regions attended the 6-day expo. Some 2,800 brands from over 1,900 enterprises home and abroad participated in the exhibitions. More than 280,000 people visited the expo.
Hainan Expo is a great window to show to the world the great potential and charm of China consumption market. And it's also a very good platform to let the world to share the benefit of China's open up policy. And at the same time, it's also a very good bridge for a lot of products from abroad to enter into China.
By taking part in international exhibitions like the CICPE, Japanese companies can cooperate with local enterprises to carry out different businesses like general trade, cross-border e-commerce, trade of duty-free goods, even to make investments and set up local enterprises, during which they can participate in the development of the Hainan Free Trade Port. Thus they can provide healthy and safe Japanese high-end consumer goods and services which might be welcomed by consumers in the Hainan consumer market.
The China International Import Expo, or CIIE, is another example of foreign enterprises actively enlarging their footprint in China. According to the event's organizers, 85% of the planned enterprise exhibition area has been booked for the 5th CIIE, which is to be held later this year. Over 270 Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises have confirmed their participation in the event.
The German Chamber has participated from the very beginning of the CIE, and every time I've been there I was very much impressed. Because what you see is a diverse picture of many countries participating, showcasing their newest technologies, especially in the field of high-tech and decarbonization. For German companies, CIE participation paid off and was successful in many ways.
The CIIE provides us many opportunities to learn and get contact with various groups of people. It also provides a communication platform for exhibitors and buyers.
Such global platforms for displaying and trading high-end consumer products showcase China's pledge of a higher level of opening up. The country has kept shortening the negative list for foreign investment and passed laws and regulations to protect the legitimate rights and interests of foreign investors. According to a World Bank report, the business environment in China is also improving, with the country's ease of doing business ranking ascending to 31 from 91 in 2012. Official data showed that last year, China's import volume of consumer goods rose 9.9% year-on-year to 1.73 trillion yuan, or about $256 billion.
We've been always, witnessing this opening up policies, benefiting of them. We keep very optimistic, when we look at the future.
In the current chaotic economic environment in the world, China's consumption and exports will play a very important role in revitalizing the world economy. China's economic growth can effectively stimulate global economic growth.